morning student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with discussing exercise 6.3, that is problem related to similar triangle from NCERT book. I hope earlier I have discussed about the solution. I have uploaded my video, the solution of exercise 6.2, that is problem based on the Hess theorem from NCERT. Today I will discuss exercise 6.3. So let's go to the exercise and see how we will solve this question of exercise 6.3, that is problem related to similar triangle. I hope you will enjoy this, because geometrical segment is something that it is some students say that it is toughest, some students think that it is easy. So I believe that it is not a tough thing, it is the easiest thing. But the thing is that when you will be you don't have any clear you don't have any confusion in the basics, then you will be able to solve all the geometrical questions. That is the minimum thing required to solve the geometrical questions, that you need to clear all the dots that is related to the basic terms of the geometry. So student, I am starting question number 1 of 2. Here we will have to check whether the given triangle are similar. If it is similar, then at what criteria used to be similar. So the given two figure, that is one triangle is ABC and then another triangle is PQR. We have to check that whether the given triangle are similar. So I am just briefing here. The criteria of the similar are: first, angle. All the three angles of the given two triangles are equal. Second, at least two angles will be equal, then the triangle must be similar. Then the third one is the side, that is the corresponding side are proportional to each other. If it is proportional, then the triangle will be similar. Then the side angle, side SAS, means two sides are proportional to each other and the angle between those two sides are equal. Then these are the criteria. So here let's see what is the criteria used to check that whether the given two triangles are similar. Here it is given that the sides are given, then there must be the ratio, corresponding sides ratio. We will use SSS criteria. So first we will use AB. Just check that AB, whether AB divided by QR. If I am using AB divided by QR, it will be 2 by 4 and the ratio will be 1 by 2. Similarly, BC divided by PR, that is equal to 2.5 divided by 5, 1 by 2. I have chosen the side as white, because so that the ratio will be similar to each other. So again, AC divided by PQ, it is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. See this one here, AB by QR is equal to 1 by 2, BC by PR is equal to 1 by 2 and AC by PQ is equal to 1 by 2. Then we can say that choose the triangle. The naming of the triangle is a very essential part in the similar triangle. So we will choose the naming as the corresponding A is Q. So we will use, if we will use in triangle ABC, then we can go and triangle QRP. This is the naming. So that AB by QR, BC by RP, and then AC by PQ. These are the things. Since AB by QR is equal to BC by PR is equal to AC by PQ is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle QRP, the criteria is S. This is the thing. See student, this is the question number 4 of question 1. Given that MNL and PQR are two triangles, angle M is given 70 degree. MN side MN is 2.5, side ML is 5. In other triangle PQ, Q is 70 degree, PQ is 6 and QR is 10. We have to check whether these two triangles are similar or not. See this one. Here one angle is equal to, so just we are saying that angle M is equal to, since angle M is equal to angle Q, that is equal to 70 degree. Now the one angle and two sides is given, the chances is that we have to criteria is S, those side and one angle, these are the criteria we will use here if it is similar then. So first we will choose the corresponding sides of the similar, if ratio of the corresponding sides are equal or not, whether. So we will use Mn divided by PQ. Therefore 2.5 divided by 6, 2.5 divided by 6. After removing the point it will become 25 divided by 6. Okay, then by dividing the 5 both sides it will be 5 by 12. Now ML divided by QR. ML divided by QR, that is equal to 5 divided by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. Since the ratio of Mn by Qp and Ml by Qr are not equal, since Mn by Qp is not equal to Ml by Qr, therefore triangle M, so we have to choose the name. The cross, if we will start M, N, L is not similar to, is not similar to the triangle, the corresponding M is Q, P, R, and corresponding of N is P. So we have to use the triangle name will be QPR. This is the thing. So I hope you have understand this, how we will prove, how we will establish the relation of similarities. These are the criteria. So I am moving the next question, that is question number 3 of this exercise. I am leaving the question number 2 because it is easy. If you are unable to solve, then give me, write the comment that I am unable to solve the question number 2. I will make a video separately for this one. See student, this is the question number 3. It is given that ABCD is a trapezium such that AB is parallel to DC. We have to show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Construction, we will not do any construction, so we have just give it the blank. Now the proof. For this we will do the similar of triangle AOB and COD. Earlier I have also solved the question, such types of question in my previous video. You can watch how we will solve, how we will use this triangle AOB and C. See this one, OA means this side of triangle AOB, OB means this side of triangle AOB, OC means this side of triangle COD, OD means this side of triangle COD. So we have to just analyze the things by how, what we have to prove. From there we will pick the triangle. So we will use just in triangle AOB, and the corresponding of A is C, so we will start and triangle COD. We have to just do the similar. So we need two angle equal. So one angle is the angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angle. So we will use, since angle AOB is equal to angle COD VOA. Now the second angle is alternate interior angle, in which we can say that angle ABO is equal to angle CDO, alternate interior angle. Now by A criteria, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD, criteria is AA. Now after similarity, we can say that AO by CO is equal to OB by OD. So just remember this one, write OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Hence proved. This is the properties of the similarities. By properties of similarity, similar triangle. After triangle similar, then their corresponding side must be proportional to each other. This is the solution of question number 3. See student, this is the given thing. The first given thing is that QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, and the second given thing is that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So we will use first this one, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. See, in triangle PQR, since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so we know that the angle opposite to, if angles are equal, then side opposite to equal angle will be equal. Then we can say that PQ is equal to PR. Side opposite to equal angle are equal. So opposite to 1 is PR, opposite to 2 is PQ. Then we can say that PQ is equal to PR. Now start from this one. It is given that now QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. For this PR we will just use PQ. So QR, it will become QR by QS is equal to QT divided by PQ. Now analyze the triangle. Which triangle we will use? See this one. In triangle QR, it is the side of TQR. It is the side, QR is the side of triangle TQR. Now QS is the side of triangle PQS. The correspondings are proportional. Now see this one, QT is the sides of triangle TQR, and PQ is the sides of triangle PQS. Now in between of these, one angle that is Q is in both. One angle that is Q which is common in both, we can say that angle Q is equal to angle Q, that is equal to common in both. So this, that's why we can say that triangle, now we can say that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. The criteria will be SAS. Okay, this is the solution of the question number 4. Now students, see, this is the question number 6 of this exercise. Question number 6 of this exercise, it is given that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. We have to show that triangle ADE congruent similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. This we have to prove. Now see, we will start from it is given point. Since triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, we know that the properties of the congruency, that corresponding side will be equal to each other. So it will be AB is equal to AC, BE is equal to CD. Okay. Now AE is equal to AD given. Now from this equation and this equation, in this equation we will use from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, see this one. If in this equation, if we will divide both sides by AC, if in equation 1 we will divide both sides by AC, it will become AB by AC is equal to 1. And if we will divide this side by both sides by AD or both sides by AE, it will become AD by AE is equal to 1. So the RHS of both are equal. Therefore we can say that AB by AC is equal to AD by AE. Now after shifting AD to AB and AC to AE, we can say that AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. See this one. AB by AD, AB divided by AD and AC divided by AE. The middlemost angle is A, that is common in both. Now angle A is and angle A is equal to angle A, common in both. Now we can say that triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. The criteria is SAS criteria. So this is the solution of question number 6. I hope you have enjoyed this one. In my next video I will upload I will upload in my next video. You will see the next question of the exercise 6.3. In this exercise it is total question is 16. So we will solve this part wise, and I will solve here in part wise and upload the same on my YouTube channel. For this I will suggest that please like and subscribe among the class 10 students, so that they can get the benefited from this video. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you.